John Dave Ramos Apostol, 22, Santo Niño second.
Kinoronahan bilang Mr. San Jose City Nueva Ecija 2023 si John Dave Apostol ng Barangay Santo Niño II sa ikalimang edisyon ng male pageant na ginanap sa Pag-asa Sports Complex nitong Biyernes, April 21. Tinanghal na first runner-up niya si Daniel Jan Felicino at second runner-up naman si Ivan Icon Ignacio. Kabilang sa mga nagsilbing hurado ay sina Miss Universe 2019, Top 20 semi-finalist Gacini Ganados at Miss Globe 2021 Maureen Montan. Nakuha rin ni John Dave ang ilang special awards gaya ng Mr. Physique, Mr. Adilex Trading Corporation at Best in Swimwear.
Does being too competitive lead to being jealous?
Being competitive is a way for us to motivate ourselves, to improve ourselves, to do good, to do better, or to do good in everything that we do. Well, there's nothing much we can say to a person who's feeling such things. The only way we can do is to assure them that we are being competitive, but in a different perspective. I can say as of now, I'm still competitive, but I choose my battles. I choose what battles to pursue. At the end of the day, I am the one who will provide solutions to my life. The man who wins is the man who thinks he can. Thank you.
If you were to be God for a day, what one world problem would you wish to solve and why?
Good evening. I would like to focus on education. As we all know, the Philippine poverty is at 13.2% of the current state. And so I want to encourage the people to keep educating themselves, to keep learning. Because when you stop learning, you are depriving yourself with the necessity skills to function in today's world. At the end of the day, I still believe that education is the way to conquer your dreams and to win in life. Thank you.
The hour, Mr. San Jose City 2023 candidate number 3, John Dave Apostol.
At good news, si John Dave din ang kakatawan sa probinsya ng Nueva Ecija sa Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide 2023.